in Bangkok at wala akong itinerary at wala akong wifi at yung mga friends ko may sariling plano. So, gagawa tayo ng challenge today kung saan we are going to create an entire itinerary plan from nothing. Kasi spontaneous tayo mga akla. Anyways, it is 11:50. It's 12. It's lunchtime. I'm having some lunch here in the gourmet market. Bali, ito yung supermarket na malapit sa amin. Sarap ng pagkain din. Daming mga options dito. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay.
Another tip I have is to pre-plan your itinerary. Kasi hindi ako makakapag-temple run. Hindi ako makapag-temple tour because I didn't plan it. Actually, this trip wasn't even planned that much. Pero, ayun, make sure you have an itinerary. Just like me right now, I am here at another Hound Cafe, which is a Greyhound Cafe, because my friend said that their coffee is nice. Table for one. This is what it looks like. Problema ko rin dito, ang dali ko tumaba. Kaya sobrang sarap ng pagkain.
Okay, habang nandyan kayo, I'm going to plan my itinerary for today. Tatry ko lang. Ang hirap kapag Gemini. Parating lang games sa mga iba't ibang bagay, pero kapag sa katotohanan, wala, mga.
I got their AHC coffee. So may kasama siyang blueberries and stuff. Medyo na ako kasi 140 baht to. Tapos yung pagkain ko 99 baht pa. Like, what is the correlation of the mathematics? You know what I mean? But, well. For the gastos.
Joke lang, ang sarap niya. Oh. Kape na may blueberry. Yes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, meron na po akong itinerary care of my friend si Con. Kaya we're going to check. Alam ng friend ko na very art inclined ako kasi I love art. Kaya ito ang ating itinerary for today. Number 1, we're gonna go to Warehouse 30 for an art exhibit, another cafe, and some shops. Number 2, we're gonna go to River City, Bangkok, where we will cross the river. And then lastly, we're gonna go to Icon Siam. And there's an art exhibition that you will like. Also, Tipa Samay Pad Thai there is the best Pad Thai option. And I love all of those things, so we're gonna try it out. I'm excited! Isa pa sa mga tip ko, may Grab naman dito. Pero kapag gusto mo mas mapamura sa mga transportation expenses mo, tapos ayaw mo mag-tren, meron silang app dito tawag Bolt. Ayan. Kaya magmamotor tayo. Wala akong pake. Joke lang. Hi ma. I'm staying safe naman. So we are here right now at Warehouse 30 kung saan maghahanap po tayo ng jowa. Charot lang. My friend recommended this place because there are different art styles here, and we're just gonna check it out kasi addict tayo sa art.
Thailand, tapos mag-art exhibit ka lang. Ba't hindi ka manlandi? Ba't hindi ka pumunta sa dito? Sa blablabla? Ang sagot ko sa'yo, be, paano mo malalaman ang totoong kultura ng mga naninira sa Thailand? How do you know the true culture of someone who is a local? And that's through art. Diba?
Ito ang aking pangalawang coffee of the day, and you might be wondering, Aaron, how's Bangkok life for you? I thought may kalandian ka agad ako pero wala. Charot, eme lang. I'm here with my friends nga talaga, and this is just like a mini vacation. For the people who are visiting Bangkok, I would recommend to go at around this time. The weather is kind of nice. It's a bit rainy though at night. October, November, December time. Yeah, that's what I would recommend. So for your next itinerary, try booking at this time.
You're here in River City, home of the arts and Kemeruth of the Kemeruth. Kaya, good. dito sa vlog na to, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang tunay, ang ganda. Parang Alice in Wonderland. Ede. Papakita ko sa inyo ang husay at ang interest and passion when it comes to art. Diba? Kasi dito mo malalaman ang tunay na katauhan ng tao. O, diba? Tunay na katauhan ng mga tao. And when you look into it in a deeper perspective, parang mas lumalaki yung pananaw mo sa buhay. You know what I mean? Kasi pare, everything is art. From the temples you visit to the food you eat. Everything is art. Oh my God. And it just takes a little bit of appreciation for you to open your mind. Dito na emotional ako. Sabi ng artist, beauty regardless of gender or age means everyone has a right to be confident. Thus, she used her friend as a reference for the portrait. I see makeup as an art form that is suitable for everyone, not just one gender, but accessible to all people. Diba? I think it reflects then how Thailand is very open-minded compared to other Asian countries when it comes to the LGBTQIA+. And that's something I really appreciate. Diba? Tapos balik tayo dito. Si Liam pala ang inspiration dito sa ano na to. Alam niyo, onti na lang magiging art critic na ako. Charot! Hindi, pero kung makita mo yung mga iba't ibang portrait na to, sobrang they show local life. They show real people. Wait lang. Balik muna tayo dito. Hello, explain yourself, please. The model represented in this artwork uses the beauty of his physique in his job and skills to create an intriguing impression. New, my close friend, works as a model in an entertainment venue, maintaining his body beautifully. Even when he faces various problems and challenges at work, he continually finds solutions and develops his potential to remain attractive in the eyes of those who view his work. Ganda! Wait, I'm getting emotional. Ang ganda ng mga to. Diba? I don't share with you guys that much, but I really love art. Like how it was made, the inspiration behind it. It's also interesting to me. Mathematics can suck my The time and beautiful days spent together while we have breath are far more valuable than money and possessions. Though we know we will inevitably part ways, when that time comes, it becomes exceedingly difficult to prepare for. Who we are today also comes from the molding done by our family in the past. Ultimately, we had to part ways, whether in separation by life or death. The woman in front of me in this painting is my mother. She had me when she was still young and hasn't had many adventures. She bears the heavy burdens of being a mother, wife, and daughter-in-law. She raised me alone and has always been there to support me excellently. I only saw her working at the family store and studying to become a civil servant. I've never listened to music she likes, tasted her favorite foods, or watched movies she wanted to see, because my likes became her likes every time. She always dressed simply for ease of mobility, saying, "Because time waits for no one." I wonder what would have happened if my mother had me later. I've been with her who has never given up against fate my entire life, and I know her less than anyone else. This painting serves as a reminder of the importance of caring for those who are most important in my life. Throughout my life, I've only received things from my mother, and she continually learns from me so that we can be happy together. I should do the same, beginning with knowing her true self. I'm not joking, napapayak ako. Kasi ang ganda ng mga kwento dito. Parang nakikilala mo talaga yung tao base sa art nila eh. Ganda. Hindi ako OA ah. tama ng drama, nandito tayo sa may River City at maghanap tayo ng barko kung saan magsasakay tayo kasi pupunta tayo doon sa Icon Siam, which is over there doon sa pinakakabilang dulo. Nasaan na yan? Ayan, nandoon siya. Kaya malamang hindi naman tayo pwede mag-swimming, diba? So that's our next keme of the day. Okay, so ito na yung problema. Hindi ko na alam kung paano pumunta sa Icon Siam. Sabi daw kailangan ko na pumunta sa... Ayun! Ayun! Yan! Shuttle boat to Icon Siam. Yung problema ko po kasi is wala po akong wifi. Tapos yung data ko, tamad ako i-open. Kaya ang challenge po natin ngayon ay survive the day na walang wifi. And I will rely on my public speaking and street smart skills. Which if I have any, baka mga 1 point lang tayo out of 100. Pero kakayanin natin to. So magbabarko na po tayo ngayon. Let's go! Ito itsura ng port nila. Linis in fairness ha. Tapos ito yung view. Wow. Ganda. Tapos ito yung second view.
Oh my!
Plakado. In total, bus ride tuloy. Ang boat ride na to ay 6 baht. Papuntang Icon Siam. And this is the cheapest ride I've ever had. So, ito yung pinaka hindi ko kinastusan. There it is, Icon Siam. Yan yung pupuntahan natin. Here we are. Where are we? Ayan nga. Here we are, Icon Siam. Sabi ng friend ko may art exhibit daw dito. Titignan natin. Si atik tayo sa art. By the way, this is my fit for today. I got these really nice pants at the boutique store sa Champarangan Mall. Dami kasi mga magagandang designs nun eh. Ito pa isa ko pang tip. Kapag pupunta kayo dito, siguraduhin yung susunod kayo sa budget ninyo. Make sure you stick to your budget because I did not. I said, I'm just going to spend X amount. Baka naging times 10 yung gas. No, pero iniisip ko na pang reward ko to sa sarili ko. I've been working really hard these past few months and yeah. Ang ganda. Wow. Panoramic view. Back. Wow. What the fuck? Nasaang dimension ako ngayon? Pasyala-syala dito, nakakahiya naman. Charot. Emmy. Damn, this place is so nice. Maghanap tayo ng lafang. Joke, what time is it? Hindi pa. Gutumin ko sarili ko para masarap yun. Pero may manakita ko mas masarap. Iyon, kalma. Joke lang, hindi ko mahanap yung art exhibit dito. But my friend recommended to me the best pad thai in his opinion, which is quote next dito Chip Samai Pad Thai. Nasa 6th floor po siya. We're gonna check it out. And tapos kasi ako mag-shopping. Tapos na ako mag-shopping. Kaya ngayon puro lafang na lang talaga tayo. And we're going to check out if it is the best pad thai in the entire universe. Nawala ako kasi yung food court nila. Grabe naman yung pagkasyala-syala, diba? So, ito yung food court nila. Saka I need to find a way to go to Tip Samai. There it is. There it is. Tip Samai. I hope I'm saying it correctly. Hi, for Tip Samai.
Yes, Tip Samai.
Yes, can I have a table for one? Grabe. Kaya, ito yung in-order ko. Pad Thai Senchan. Yes. Kakainin ko to kapag nakainom na ako. Kapon kap. Iinom kami nila Jing mamaya sa Soy 4. I don't know. Iinom kami kaya ito yung magiging munchies ko for today. Cut to munchies. Oh, may nakita ko doon terrace. Punta tayo doon. Okay? Anyways, I got my takeout and there is also a waterfall. Yes, Changi! Joke! Grabe! Wow! May nahuhulog na letters. Anyways, balcony. Let me show you the balcony daily. Ziri. Takbo tayo. Oh, shit! Sana hindi ko nilike yung post niya.
No. Wait.
Oh no, nalike ko yung post niya.
No.
Wait, I found the art exhibit that my friend was talking about. That's over there. Pero, ano yung balcony oh? Kaya may ADHD saying, dito muna tayo. Ay, pogi. Hello. Ito po ang itsura ko. Tourist attraction ka, girl. Pero ayan, may mga pa-mirror. And this is the balcony. Wow!
Wow!
Sana ganito na lang bahay ko, no? Yan yung Icon Siam. Kaya let's check it out. Nice! You have an amazing view of Bangkok. And it's great. It's lovely. Fuck! Kitang-kita mo yung mga river. Ayun. The entrance here is free. You just have to go in the mall. And yeah, just have a picture here. Hintayin ko lang yung mga to umalis. Tapos ako naman. There we go. So this is the view. Yun lang. Sawadee-ka. Do you like my travel? Do you like the way I travel? No? Okay. Charot. Pero kung nagustuhan nyo po talaga, sana, I hope you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Ibigin nyo ako. Because I just want to share my travel journeys with you guys since it's such an intimate moment for me na mag-isa lang ako abroad. Comment kayo where you want the world to take you. Oh, back! Tapos try ko pumunta doon kung may budget ako. Ayun. Bye!